hao! This is our day 3 at Japan at pupunta kami ngayon sa Ueno Zoo at Tokyo. This is our view from our hotel, diba? Kitang-kita yung train station. Selfie time! Hi guys! So this is the Ueno Zoo. Grabe ma'am, siya ang init dyan. Grabe. Diba? 600 yen lang ang kailangan mo. So we plan to see the panda. Hindi naman si Yuna hyper agad do. With his papa. We walk over nga pala. Alam nyo guys, medyo nakakalungkot lang kasi ang liliit ng cages nila here. At saka ang liliit ng mga pwesto nila. Parang parang nakakalungkot. Hindi parang happy ang energy ng zoo na to. Para sa akin lang ha, para sa akin. Rhinoceros anak. Quack, 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 quack.
Dada, 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 dada.
But our kids still enjoy it. No, they see different animals from it. This one we go inside the, I forgot the name, but puro mammals siya na mga cats. Then this is Yuna, look at Yuna. Tawang-tawa ako dyan kasi ganyan yung reaction niya whole time na sa loob kami ng place na yan. Kasi medyo mapanghe inside. Pero bearable naman, medyo maarte lang talaga ang anak ko.
Baby, can you have like this?
That's it. Oh.
No, the bones. I think this is my favorite part, diba? Ang gaganda ng mga flowers nila. There's a lot of flowers in there. And take picture a lot, you know. Nakaka-fresh sa mata. Parang ang ganda-ganda ng lugar na yan. Unfortunately, hindi namin abutan si Panda because may time limit pala siya. You know what's that? You look mama, you look mama. You look mama, you look mama. It's penguin. You like penguin?